Okay guys, basically today the video is about how to use Google Input. So you should follow this link, google.com/inputtools/Chrome. Basically you will get a Chrome extension from this link, which is actually a Google Input Tool Chrome extension. So once you have this thing, you will be having one extension like this. So you can see Google Input Tool has access to this site. That particular extension will be appear once you download this thing. So um, once you downloaded this thing, you can select here, click this thing, and you will have a lot of options. I have actually selected Urdu, and you can have more than 50 languages on this particular thing. So extension options, if you just click it here, you will find a lot of languages. You have to just click here and you just drag it here, so that particular language will be there for your use through Google Input Tools. So uh, I actually selected Urdu already. So for example, if you just want to type anything now, you will, like I'm writing it in English, and you are actually, you can see that um, uh, so you're writing it in English, but you're getting into the language which you actually selected. So I selected Urdu, I'm writing it in English, so you're getting it in Urdu. Same way, whatever you want to write, you're getting your desired language. So thank you so much for your time, and if you have any question regarding this thing, you can always ask me in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.